Hello everybody, this is Bui from MamaBoisKitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today I'm going to share with you guys one of my cabbage recipes. It's my favorite, guys, spicy curried cabbage stir fry. This cabbage is an easy, delicious vegetable side dish that is healthy and goes with so many dishes. So guys, let's get right into it. To prepare the cabbage for frying, cut it in half from its top to down through its core. Then remove the thick fibrous outer leaves. Remove and discard the core. Next, place the cut side down on your cutting board, then slice it as thinly as possible. Transfer it to a colander and rinse it well with cold running water. Leave it in the colander to dry well. Next, add olive oil to a fairly large deep saute pan. As soon as the oil is heated up, add onions. Saute the onions until they are soft and translucent. Now add in bell peppers. Next, we are adding green peppers, then saute for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add chopped cabbage. Then we are going to add in salt. We are also adding in black pepper to taste. Also adding in curry powder. Then give it a good stir. Add red pepper flakes. This is optional, guys. We are also adding in minced garlic. Continue to stir well. This is one of my best curry dish recipe, guys. If you don't think you like cabbage, if you consider it bland, and even perhaps especially if you don't consider it at all, give this curry cabbage stir fry recipe a try. It's going to surprise and delight you in the most wonderful of ways. Stir the cabbage every now and then, and as soon as the cabbage is tender and browned a little on the edge, it's ready. When you cook this cabbage, make sure you cook it on medium-high heat, because if you don't, it's gonna be soggy. We want it on the tender side. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. This curried version is full of warm, savory spices, vibrant color, and plenty of texture. Please do me a favor, subscribe, like, and share this video. By doing so, it helps this channel to grow. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.